Hi everyone. So we're here at the site again today. A lot of stuff has happened since the last update. The roofing is almost complete. The shingling, sorry, placing of the shingles is almost complete. We're looking at also the electric has been routed through the systems. Meter has been installed, and let's take a look. All right. Still some shingling needs to be done, but most of it has been completed already. Meter has been installed. Nice net zero on there. And they're going to put the electric panel in here. All the wiring has been run through. All right. Laundry room is all hooked up and ready to be installed with washer and dryer. The vent is going to go through the ceiling, through the roof, sorry. This is where the furnace is going to be. As we're going to see the pipes, the cabling, Freon. It's going to be routed through these copper pipes, or I presume. That chandelier is going to be right there where that electrical box is. The vents, I forgot to say, the ductwork. Yes, the ductwork has been installed and routed throughout the house. So that is ready in preparation for the AC units to be installed, as well as the furnaces. Let's take a look upstairs too. Checked all the electrical boxes. Are ready. I don't know if I showed this last time, but the view from the loft area, you get a nice panoramic view almost. All right. I think that's about it. We'll talk with the construction manager this week to see what's next. I'm hoping something with the drywall is being put up, but let me confer with him and find out, and we'll talk again next time. Thank you.